Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the pastry because structure matters. Mix 2 cups flour and 0.5 tsp salt. Cut in 6 tablespoon cold butter until pea-sized crumbs form. Once done, sprinkle 3-4 tablespoon ice water and bring dough together without overworking. You want flakes, not gluten. While dough chills 30-45 minutes, you toss 3 cups fruit with 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon. You roll chilled dough to about 1/8 inch and line a 9 pan because a uniform base ensures even baking. Trim so you have a 1/2 inch overhang to seal later. Once the filling is in, dot with 1 tablespoon butter to add richness and prevent dryness. You can do a lattice or full top crust. If lattice, weave strips evenly. Make sure to crimp or pinch the edge to seal, then brush with egg wash for color, and chill 10 minutes so the crust firms. You start baking at a high 425 degrees for 20 minutes to set the crust, then lower oven to 375 degrees and continue 30-40 minutes until the filling bubbles and crust is golden. Once out, cool at least 2 hours so the filling sets. You'll slice cleaner with a thin knife warmed under hot water. If your crust browns too quickly, cover the rim with foil or move the pie to a lower rack. This prevents burning while the center finishes cooking and keeps texture balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.